Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about how to reset your old service light for it's a Volkswagen. It's a 2009 2.0. It's Passat. So I've been going online on several videos and I'm finding them like they get like it wrongly. I don't know, but I hope this video helps somebody. So here we go. So you make sure before you begin the reset process, make sure that all your doors are closed. Make sure all your doors are closed. So what you do, you get your key and don't start the car. Just make sure all the lights comes on the screen. So what you do next, you come to your steering, and then you come to this section. You tap it. Once you tap it, and then you use the scroll buttons up and down until you find. You go down there, time ties, then you find service. All the way there you go. Once you find service, you press OK. So once you press OK right there, you go down on the service, then you reset it. Oh, sorry, something comes up there. Service, and then you come to reset right there. Then you press OK right there. So you press OK. Do you want to reset service? You press OK again. You press OK. Service reset. So you're all good. So that's generally about it. Now you can pull your key out, and then when you pull in key again, it will show you that your service has been reset just fully. So once you go down, if you want to check on your service, when the next service light is, you go all the way to service, and then you press OK again. You press OK, and then you press OK for info. Then it show you service in 10,000 miles. So you're good to go. So I hope you like and subscribe. Until next time, have a nice one. Okay, bye-bye.